In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring transaction in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing monthly rent payments or any regular vendor expenses, automating these transactions can be a tremendous time saver and help in staying organized. So let's get started with this task in a few easy steps. First, we need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's open, navigate over to quickbooks.intuit.com. This is the official site where you can log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're there, you'll see the option to enter your username and password. Please do so to access your account. As soon as you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon that looks like a gear. That's the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will bring up a list of different options you can explore. From that list, find and click on Recurring Transactions. You'll find it under the column labeled Lists. Now, let's create a new recurring transaction. To do this, look for a button labeled New and click on it. This is where you begin setting up your automated transactions. Selecting the correct type of transaction is crucial, especially when dealing with vendor payments. In this case, choose Bill from the available options and click OK. This will ensure you're setting up for vendor-related expenses. Next up is naming your template. It's a good idea to choose a name that clearly states what the payment is for. For instance, if you're setting this up for rent, you might name it something like monthly rent payment. This helps you easily recognize it later on. Now you'll need to tell QuickBooks how you want this recurring transaction to behave. Set the type to scheduled. This option ensures that transactions are created automatically at the intervals you define. And speaking of intervals, this is your next step. You'll need to decide how often these payments should be made, whether that's monthly, weekly, or whatever suits your needs. Don't forget to pick a start date for when these transactions should begin to kick in. After sorting out the schedule, it's time to enter the vendor details. You'll need to select the vendor you're paying, input the amount due, and specify the account from which the payment will be made. If there are any other important details like the expense category, be sure to fill those in too. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, you can go ahead and conclude the setup by clicking on Save Template. This final step saves all the choices you've made so your recurring transaction can start working for you. Congratulations, you've just set up a recurring transaction in QuickBooks Online. With this in place, you'll save time and reduce the risk of missing any essential payments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tips and tricks.